guys, as you can see, we finally hit the 1,000 mile mark. Let's get it. Alright guys, we are doing the 1,000 mile review on the 5.0 in the back. Yes sir. Nila, yes.
Yes, bye.
So yep, as you can see, I brought out the whip. It's kind of hot today, but it finally reached 1,000 miles, and honestly, I really love the car. It's amazing. Yeah. If there's one thing that I would hope, I really like the color black. I ordered it myself, but the only thing I sometimes regret is how it gets dirty so fast. And any little thing, it pops up. That's probably one thing that I don't like, is that it gets dirty fast. Another thing that I really like are the red calipers. There's really not much to complain other than how it gets dirty fast, right mamas?
Yeah.
Do you like the car?
Yes,
Sweet. But yeah, it's super nice car.
Yeah, do you like it with
I'm gonna
time?
be, yeah.
Buy the
Nice. Yep. Here's the interior. Pretty nice and simple. I opted obviously for the base because I'm gonna be switching out these seats. I'm gonna be customizing everything in there, so I went the cheapest route on that option. But hey, the car seat fits well in the back. She fits in there, and we're pretty comfortable. Yeah, I'm gonna be changing out the steering wheel, but right now it's barely anything. Obviously, the 1,000 miles is nothing. I'm gonna be doing more things to the car, but there it is. Stay tuned for more. All you guys that are big Mustang guys, I just recently been really liking this platform. I love Mustangs in general, but I don't really know much about them. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think I should do to this car. What modifications are the best? Enlighten me. But so far, at the 1,000 miles, I absolutely love it. And we're going to see where it goes from there. If y'all are new to the channel, Barrio Builds, this is your boy Kubo. Tap in. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate everybody's support. And yeah, I'm out here sweating. It's hot. But other than that, thank you very much. I think the next thing that we're going to be doing on this vehicle, just to start off, I already did the PPF. No, let me rephrase that. I did the ceramic coating on the car. I got it ceramic. It's pretty nice. Makes the car look nice and glossy. The next thing I'm going to be doing is the carbon fiber hood. So stay tuned for that. And then after that will be some wheels. And yeah, like I said, if you do know a lot about this platform, or you have some type of advice on this platform, even if you know someone that tunes this platform, hey, let me know. I'd love to work something out, because yep, this will be completely different. And like I said, for the interior, I want to be switching out these seats with some aftermarket bucket seats. I was looking at maybe, I don't really know, obviously Recaros, but if you guys recommend any other aftermarket seats for the interior of this vehicle, or you are a seller as well, please comment on my video. Let me know, because that's something that I really do want to get next. And the best thing is that I did opt for the manual. You know, we gotta keep banging them gears, save the manuals. Let's go. But yeah, also, if anybody in the Central Texas area knows someone that's a good photographer, videographer, please tap in as well, because I want to start doing more videos of the car. Not only that, but just start doing more quality content for my subscribers, who I really appreciate. And I'd like to enhance my platform and give you guys stuff that you guys want to see. And yeah, more than anything, I look forward to building this vehicle and seeing what it's all about. Thank you so much again for all my subscribers. Don't forget to, don't be shy, and don't forget to like the video, man. A lot of people be liking, not only seeing the videos, but they don't give it a like or interact with it. I'd appreciate if you guys did. And more than anything, again, thank you. And we're gonna see where this goes. Sheesh. Alright, the last thing I'd like to review is this right here. I really like obviously the 5.0 engine. That strut bar is nice. I wish they would have put like some type of GT badge on that strut bar or something like that, but other than that, it looks pretty dope. I like the double throttle body, look dope as well. Hopefully be changing that out to some new intake, see what there is out there. But yeah, you really can't go wrong with this setup. If you guys suggest to do anything to this specific platform and the engine, let me know. Sheesh. Alright guys, don't forget, if you haven't yet, make sure y'all tap that subscribe button. Subscribe to Barrio Builds. Help me get up. We're at 901 right now. Let's see where we can get by the end of this year. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
You ready?
But
We're ready. Thank you.
Make them stop.